A local used car dealer is accused of preying on minorities and the elderly and then threatening them if they speak out. Some say the chain also sells crashed cars without a warning. Tonight, in an I-Team investigation, KOIN Local 6 reporter Carla Castano shows us why customers say they've been taken for a ride.
Practices that you've been selling cars that you know are brand titles.
Oh my God! Go away, guys.
Will you talk to us?
No, yeah. Why we have a team? Why we're having people sleep on the streets for? You know, there's homeless people.
A rant about the homeless problem in Portland from Jesse Ephraim when we asked him about accusations of dirty dealings at his chain of used car lots in Salem. Are you selling cars on purpose to people that you know they can't drive, that are dangerous? After repeated attempts to get an interview with Jesse Ephraim of Jesse & Sons, we caught up with him in downtown Portland just after arbitration on one of several lawsuits against him. Civil suits accusing Jesse & Sons of unlawful trade practices. This is your chance to tell your side of the story.
Nothing to tell. Talk to my lawyer.
Ephraim's lawyer didn't want to talk either. You're his attorney. Will you comment?
I don't have any comment.
But Jesse's customers have plenty to say.
Well, there's no hose. I mean, when it overheated, the hose like popped, and so
I can smell it.
Yeah, there's no water circulating from the radiator through the motors.
And the woman he sold this Dodge Durango to says he didn't tell her it had been wrecked. She found out from the DMV the title was totaled months later.
And he put my life, as well as my family members' lives and anyone else who has ridden in that vehicle with me, at danger.
So she sued him. Last month, she won the lawsuit after this wholesale order Jesse signed showed he knew the car was totaled.
It's been an emotional roller coaster. It has put a lot of stress on me.
It's full of misrepresentation.
This 83-year-old just settled out of court with Ephraim, but add fraud and elder abuse to the claim.
I could have had a serious accident going out to the coast before I discovered all these things were wrong.
Ed St. John says the brakes and tires on this RV Jesse sold him with a smile were dangerously defective.
I went back 2 or 3 times and they just double talked me.
And the claims only get worse. This man is worried for his safety and asks us not to show his face.
No, pues no es justo, eh?
He says it's not fair that he's out $2,000 and Jesse still has the car. He says when he asked for his money back, Jesse threatened him, saying, "I know more about you than you know about me. I know where you live. I have a copy of your driver's license. Are you illegal in this country? Do you have a green card? And I could dig there if you like."
And did they ask for the green card before or after they tried to return the car?
It was late in the game.
Now the Attorney General for the state of Oregon has filed a civil rights lawsuit against Jesse Ephraim and Jesse & Sons.
We believe they were targeting Latinos in particular.
What about the accusations that he sells cars to people when they try to bring it back? He asks them what their legal status is.
Never heard. I've heard that complaint. He denies that complaint.
So that's not true?
It's not true.
Jesse, is that true?
Not true.
If tracking down Ephraim is hard, finding all his car lots is more difficult. The business name and locations have changed a lot over the years. Even the offices are on wheels. The DMV has 6 addresses listed for Jesse & Sons across Salem. DMV also has penalized the company 10 times for failing to submit proper paperwork. So how do they rank with the BBB?
Well, Jesse & Sons does have an F rating with Better Business Bureau.
And Marion County ruled in favor of the Oregon Department of Justice in a case from 2006 when Ephraim was running the business under Lancaster Motors. Then he agreed to obey Oregon's Unlawful Trade Practices Act, the same law he just lost a lawsuit for violating. But now he's got much more to worry about. The civil rights lawsuit could be enough to stop Jesse & Sons in its tracks. What about the man who's missing a car and money? Reporting for you, Carla Castano, KOIN Local 6.
Carla, thank you. Now, after our promotions for this story started airing, we got a call from Jesse & Sons. Carla Castano met with Jesse's father today. He says that all of the cars sold are sold as is, and they deny any wrongdoing. Meanwhile, the Oregon Attorney General's lawsuit is still pending in this case.